Hi, welcome to this lesson on algebra, logarithms. Question 5 on simplifying logarithms. Simplify the expression using log laws. Log base 3 of 12 plus log base 3 of 36. Alright, so let us rewrite the arguments as follows. So 12 we can rewrite as 3 times 4, and 36 we can rewrite as 9 times 4, but that is 3 squared times 4. So the reason why I extracted 3 out from both numbers is because we have a log base 3. So the goal is to try get that identity law used as much as possible. So let's write it out as log base 3, 12 plus log base 3 of 36. I'm going to use the multiplication law. That's log base 3 of 3 times 4 plus log base 3 of 9 times 4. So multiplication law says, because there's multiplication inside the brackets, I can separate it as log base 3 of 3 plus log base 3 of 4. So that simplifies that log. Plus, to simplify this log, it'll become log base 3 of 3 squared plus the log base 3 of 4. Now I can use the power rule on this one here and bring that 2 down. So it's log base 3 of 3. But we know log base 3 of 3 using the identity is just 1. I see two amounts of log base 3, 4. So I'm going to say 2 times log base 3, 4, because there's two amounts of them. You're adding like terms. And the power rule says you can bring the 2 down and becomes log base 3 of 3. But identity law says that's equals to 1. So you have 1 plus 2 log base 3, 4. Well, 1 plus 2 is just 3 plus 2 times the log of base 3 of 4. And that is the most simplified form that you can get. You wouldn't have to go and put that 2 back up there as a power. It wouldn't make much of a difference, and this is the most simplified form. Generally, when there are no exponents left in your expression, that is generally the most simplified form. We could have done this in an alternative way as well. Because these bases are the same, we can go backwards and use the log multiplication laws for logs. So I can group it as log base 3 of 12 times 36. So if we do that, 12 times 36 is 432. Log base 3 of 432. That is another simplified form that we could have used. Both these forms are simplified and they are equivalent. And we can actually check that out. So if I take log base 3 of 432, I get 5.52. Let's say to 2 decimal places. Then, if I take 3 plus 2 log base 3 of 4, I should get that same number, 5.52. Okay, so both forms are fully simplified and both solutions would be valid. All right, and that's how you would simplify this expression. I'll see you in the next one.